Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from teamhiraadventures. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. So guys, today video I'm making a apple cake. I'll show you the ingredients I have. I have like 4 apple. You can use more apple if you want. 5-6 apple. Depends how big you want the cake. But I'm using like 4 apple, 3 normal green, 1 red. Not too green, like a little, between green and tarnish like. Alright, so I have sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar, half teaspoon salt, a table and a half teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 lemon zest, the whole lemon zest. I have 2 eggs. I have 2 cup flour, so we can add maybe 1 more cup to this. It calls for like 2 to 3 cup. So as we mix, we can see how it is, and we can add 1 more cup to the flour. And this is the apple. I peel it. So I have my slicer here. I will slice it with this. This I also core it out and slice it too. Perfect. Alright, that's the apple slice there. So what I'm going to do, I might just slip this back a little more thinner, and then we're going to get back to the video. Alright, so I slice back the apple a little more skinnier, and I also have 3/4 cup of milk that I'm going to mix here. So what we're going to do, we're going to add all the dry ingredients: salt, baking powder, the lemon zest. And I'll use a hand mixer for this. You can use a regular spatula and turn it up and mix it, but I'll use a hand mixer, a hand electric mixer, and mix it. You can add the sugar. So you give this a stir. And if I forgot to mention, the flour I'm using here is a whole grain wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour too if you want. That works also. But I'm using a whole grain wheat flour. Alright, so that's it dry. I add the butter with the egg. Just give this a stir. Alright, so I'll add a little, about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Alright, so we add the essence, the vanilla essence in the egg mixture. I just average about a tablespoon. Nutmeg, but a teaspoon of nutmeg. Teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, so we just mix this up. And guys, this apple here, I usually, you can bake it with this just like this, but I usually like caramelize it with some sugar and a little water. Caramelize it on the stove before I put it into the cake. So we add the egg in. The egg mixture in there. We add the milk in. So we go add more milk inside as we mix. We got to add the lemon juice, so I add the lemon juice. Alright guys, so this is the batter here for the apple cake. And if you want it more sweet, you can add more sugar inside. So now this is the apple I have here. We're going to caramelize it. Alright guys, so this is the apple here. I caramelize it with some sugar and water. So you get nice soft and tender. So when after you bake now, you get more. So when you cut the cake, you don't get nothing hard to eat. Right? It's soft and nice, tender. But this is good here. We can take this off the stove. Alright, so I have the pan here. I grease it with butter. Put some flour, move it around. Shake out the excess. So we can pour some of the butter inside here now. To 100 and 350 degrees for about 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So we can throw the rest of the batter over the apple now. Alright guys, so here's our apple cake. I take it out of the oven, it's cool on. So we just, remember I put the butter, I coat it with the flour so you don't stick. So let's take it out. Right, looking good there. Let's smoke in. Alright, so that's the see how it came out clean, the pan is clean, it's shine. Let me cut it a wedge and show you what it looks like. Look guys, still smoking. Apple cake. Alright, so we're going to try a piece here. It's really good, it's not too sweet. And plus you have the green apple mixed with the one red one. With the lemon juice, the lemon zest, it tastes real good. Alright guys, so that's my apple cake. Also, I had a chicken in the fridge, and I did that chicken also. I baked a chicken in the fridge. Let me show you the chicken. It was already seasoned, it was inside the fridge. So this is our chicken. I baked this chicken, it was already seasoned inside. I said as I had the oven on, let me bake it out. I have the temperature here. It is done. Well done. Alright. 180 to 200 is well done. That's our baked chicken. So I'll cut that up and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I cut up the apple cake. It tastes beautiful, really tasty and nice, not too sweet. And this is our roast chicken. I know this will taste good, so I don't have to even taste it. I know that will taste good because I give it good seasoning. And it's kind of hot, I just pull out the oven, so I will let it cool and then I'll cut it later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's our baked chicken, apple cake. So we're gonna have some apple cake. Some chicken, then we're gonna have this for the dessert. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video with the apple cake and the baked chicken. So give it a try. Everybody bake it different, everybody do it different. That's how I do it, the apple cake. Alright guys, thank you for watching again. Have a blessed Wednesday afternoon. Enjoy, have fun. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you back in the next adventure. Bye, good night, peace out.